Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Dodge Avenger without the keys. First, you can try using a wedge to create a small gap at the top of the door frame. Once a gap is present, a slim jim or a similar long, thin tool can be inserted. The goal is to reach the internal locking mechanism or the door handle rod. Proceed with extreme caution to prevent any scratches or damage to your car's paint or weather stripping. Another common method involves a straightened coat hanger. Bend a small hook at one end. Carefully slide the hanger through the door's weather stripping, aiming for the interior door lock button or handle. With patience, you might be able to snag and pull the lock up or activate the handle. Remember, these methods require a delicate touch to avoid causing more problems than they solve. If these DIY methods prove too difficult or risky, it's best to call for professional help. A certified locksmith has specialized tools and expertise to unlock your Dodge Avenger quickly and without damage. Many roadside assistance programs also offer lockout services, which can be a lifesaver. Resist the urge to break a window, as the repair costs will far exceed a locksmith's fee. To prevent future lockouts, always keep a spare key. Store one at home with a trusted friend or family member, or consider a magnetic key holder securely placed underneath your vehicle. These simple precautions can save you a lot of stress and money. Also, for an amazing way to keep your home spotless, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this fantastic product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.